Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my channel. Today is a fun one for you guys. It's the brand new fall glitters from Magpie Beauty. I'm super excited about these. These are all absolutely gorgeous. You guys are gonna love them. If I sound a little stuffed up, I am trying to get over a cold right now, so my apologies for that. Hopefully it doesn't sound too terrible, but just in case you're wondering, I am a little bit sick at the moment, so I thought what better to do while I'm stuck at home doing nothing than to make this video for you guys. So this is the Sisters collection. There are 12 glitters total and there's 4 shapes. So each pair has a chunky glitter and then a fine glitter that goes with it, and they both kind of have the same almost like color shifting look to them. I do have a coupon code right now that you guys can use, which is nailsbykatie10, and that's for 10% off, and that is for the magpiebeautyusa.com website. This specific code runs until October 30th, so I know that's only a few days from now, so if you guys are placing an order, make sure you go and use that, but if you don't get your order in on time, make sure you're following me on social media because I will always post when I have new codes for you guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys all of the glitters, and then I'm also going to show a really quick tutorial on how to do a fun glitter ombre. So first we have the Minogue sisters, which is Kylie is the chunky glitter, and then we have Danny, which is the fine glitter. And this is a blue to pink purple. Next is the Kardashians. Courtney is the chunky glitter, and then we have Kim, which is the fine glitter. And this one color shifts from pink to gold. Also keep in mind, when I swatched these, I sprinkled them in a wet layer of gel, but they will look different if you just place them in a tacky layer. Next we have the British princesses Beatrice and Eugenie. This one is one of my favorites. It's a purple to green color shifter. Next is the Jackson sisters. We have Latoya, and then we have Janet is the fine glitter. And this one is kind of like a red, gold to green. It's got a lot of different colors in there. Then we have the Hilton sisters. We have Nikki as the chunky glitter, and then we have Paris, and this is like a pink to purple to gold. Lastly, we have the Collins sisters. We have Joan, and then we have Jackie, and this is a green to blue. This one is absolutely stunning. I do love this one. Then they also have 4 shape glitters that kind of pair up with some of the other glitters as well. We have the Jackson leaves, another great one for fall. We also have the Jackson circles. Then we have the Kardashian circles. And we have the Minogue circles. So here are all of the sisters glitters. My favorites would definitely have to be the princesses. That purple to green is really, really gorgeous, especially for fall. I also love the Minogue sisters, and the Jackson sisters are also beautiful. I mean, they're all so gorgeous. Definitely tell me in the comments which ones stood out to you guys and which ones do you need to add to your collection. So I also wanted to show you guys a really quick tutorial on how to do a easy glitter ombre. This is super easy to do. So first I apply my base coat of my gel polish. This is Magpie's All About That base, and then I'm going to cure that. Then I'm picking two colors that are similar to the glitters that I'm going to use. So I'm using Hunky Dory on the top near the cuticle, and at the free edge I'm using Hula Tallulah, and then I'm just slightly blending them together. This does not have to be perfect at all. Super easy, just blending them just a tiny bit. I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to go in with a second coat, but I'm not going to cure that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Magpie glitter applicator brush, and I'm going to dip it into the glitter, and then I am going to sprinkle it over the top into the wet gel. So I'm not curing that second layer of gel polish. I am sprinkling the glitter into it, and I'm starting with Danny at the top, which is the fine blue glitter, and then I'm going to put Paris towards the free edge and kind of sprinkle it up towards the blue glitter so they kind of fade together. But really it's super easy to do, and with glitter it's really easy to get it to kind of fade together. So this really isn't that difficult, and the ombre of the colors does not have to be perfect in order for this to work. Then with my brush, I'm kind of patting the glitter down into place into that wet gel, and then once I'm done with that, I make sure and cure that. Once that's cured, I take a stiff manicure brush and I dust away all of the extra glitter. Then I'm doing one coat of Magpie's Give Me Strength, which is a little bit of a thicker gel, so it's going to cover that glitter really nicely and make a nice smooth surface. Lastly, I'm going to top coat with my Magpie Don't Be Tacky, which is a tack-free top coat. I love this top coat. And then I'm going to cure that in my lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm just taking my file, softening any edges. Sometimes glitter can stick out and kind of make the edges rough, so I'm just smoothing that out, and you're done. Beautiful glitter ombre, super easy to do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell to be notified of any other videos that I post in the future. Give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.